Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you are on track and have an incident where you have to escape the car, but say the driver's door is jammed shut, having the ability to remove the steering wheel makes it much easier to climb out. Also, it makes it much easier for a corner worker to pull you out if they can remove the steering wheel first.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The best quick release hubs. Miata Cage Quick Disconnect. This Miata Cage unit is a machined work of art that is lightweight, extremely precise, and only indexes one way. NRG Gen 3.0 Quick Release. The NRG Gen 3.0 Quick Release is considered the easiest to use quick release on the market. Gen 2.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
No, a racing steering wheel as an aftermarket product cannot be integrated with an airbag because an airbag design is unique to the vehicle and integral to a safety system. Any car with a racing steering wheel should not need an airbag. The driver should have a full racing harness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.